Kia ora tamariki mai. Hi there. Yep, 5-4 on a Monday, and here we go. We'll do a waiata, and then we'll get on to our learning. So, tēnā koe, hello to one, toru wha. Tēnā koe, hello to one. Tēnā korua, hello to two. Tēnā koto, hello to all. Haere mai everyone. Welcome everyone. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Well done, Tamariki. Well done, whānau. Thank you for helping us out. So today we are going to learn or have a look at some shapes. And I know you know that one. Well done. It is a triangle, with 3 sides. Let's count. 1 side, 2 and 3. Well done. So that is Te Reo, tahi, rua, toru. Tapa, toru. Say it after me. Tapa, toru. Now let's say it together. Tapa, toru. Well done. Tapa, toru is a triangle. 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 Very good. Now the next one is yes, I know you know, and it is a square. Well done. Ka pai tamariki, it is a square. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In te reo, tahi, rua, toru, wha. Let's say it again. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Tapa, wha. Let's repeat that after me. Tapa, wha. Say it together. Tapa, wha. Tapa, wha is a square. 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 Ka pai tamariki. Let's have a look at the next shape. Yes, that is correct. It is called a rectangle. Well done. So let's count. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Let's count again. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Tapa, wha is a rectangle. 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 Ka pai tamariki, you are doing so well. The next shape we have is, let's count the sides. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So that is called a pentagon with 5 sides. Right? A pentagon. Well done. Okay, have a look at that again. So let's have a look. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 sides. Pentagon. 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 Okay, well done. Tell Mummy and Daddy, if they're listening, help you out with the pentagon. The next shape that we're going to look at is the hexagon. Hexagon. So the hexagon, if you can see the black lines, let's count it. Black and green, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that has 6 sides. Ono, tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono. Hey, ono sides, 6 sides. So that's a hexagon. Hexagon. Okay. And the next one we're going to look at is the heptagon. Heptagon. So that's 7 sides. Hey, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hey, 7 sides. Let's count in Te Reo. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, and fitu. Fitu. So that is 7 sides, and it's called a heptagon. Heptagon. So ask Mummy and Daddy to go through your shapes of number 5, which was pentagon. Our pentagon shape, which is 5 sides, and our hexagon, which is 6 sides, and our heptagon, which is 7 sides. Okay. And the last one that you would know is if I was drawing it up in the air, put your hand up in the air and do a big, big circle and a small, small circle. So that is called a porofita. Porofita is a circle. Porofita is a circle. Porofita is a circle. Porofita is a circle. Well done, Tamariki. That is our learning for today. And you have a brilliant day, a good day, and go and have some lunch now. I think it's nearly lunchtime. Oh no, it's morning tea. Yeah. Alright, so Whāwhau is now going to leave you, and be safe. Alright, ka kite anō. Goodbye, Tamariki.